The sea provides us with a virtually unlimited supply of water. The problem is, it's no good to drink. So we use desalination to turn seawater into water that's fit for human consumption. The Ceramipore company is developing desalination technology like no other. Our innovative, robust ceramic membranes filter out the seawater, and the process doesn't require the water to be pressurised or boiled. This means we can power the process using renewable energy sources, such as waste heat or solar. With Ceramipore, we want to turn this into this.
This little guy over here, fantastic on the barbecue, but at breakfast time on your breakfast cereal, I don't think so. Now, lots of functional foods, while they're great for you, don't taste so great, they may not smell the best, and a lot of them, such as probiotics, may not survive in the stomach to actually give you a benefit. UQ's Associate Professor, Besh Bendari, is an expert in food engineering. Besh has developed a new low-cost solution to these problems. Progel active ingredients are so small you can't see them or feel them in your mouth. Progel can be used to encapsulate just about anything, like from a fish to fish oil to Progel fish oil. Progel Inside, coming to a supermarket near you.
Stringing power lines can be a very dangerous procedure.
It's no good when the pilot's scared.
The MacPool is an innovative power line stringing system for very large overhead transmission lines. The MacPool product has successfully passed proof of concept phase. It's been extensively tested with a number of Australia's largest transmission line companies. This is an innovative product with global market potential.
What makes the MacPool unique is that it can be fitted either to the left or the right side of the helicopter, which makes stringing power lines a hell of a lot easier.
The MacPool is an easier, faster, more cost-effective and above all, safer way of stringing power lines.
Latec has developed an LED screen technology that is so lightweight and robust that it can be retrofitted to any outdoor billboard without the need for costly strengthening. We have built an early prototype to demonstrate the concept, and now we're building the final product. By changing from static to dynamic billboards, owners can increase their revenue by running multiple rather than single advertisements. Latec's low implementation costs improves the economics. This allows the Latec systems to be rolled out across a much larger proportion of the existing billboard networks.
Welcome to the Bylexis pilot plant. Bylexis is a completely new approach for treating wastewater. We treat wastewater as a fuel, as a resource, and we convert dirty wastewater into clean water and value-added chemicals. This plant is the first of its kind in the world. It has been scaled up from the lab to this scale by a factor 1,000. It's treating wastewater from the Foss's brewery in Yatala, Queensland. These reactors are fed with this wastewater, and waste is taken out of the wastewater by a special kind of bacteria that grow on an electrode surface like this, and this is inside the reactor. At the moment, we're treating about 1,000 liters of wastewater per day. Our vision is to scale this up to be able to treat millions and millions of liters per day.
Dendromed is an exciting new nanotechnology company focusing on improvements for existing cancer drugs and enabling new cancer therapies. The technology is spun out of the University of Queensland's AIBN from Associate Professor Michael Montero's lab. Typically you can't simply swallow drugs or inject them and have them work. Usually you have to attach a small carrier vehicle which allows the drug to get into the body, circulate without being degraded, and then go to the tissue where it needs to act. This function of a carrier vehicle is called drug delivery. Two of the main advantages of the Dendromed technology are firstly, lower side effects, and secondly, more drug efficacy because the drug is delivered more specifically to the site of the disease in the body.
We're the Zebra Trackers, the leaders in loss protection. With increasing affordability and functionality, more people are storing more important information on their mobile devices. However, it stands today that no viable solution exists for protection of these devices and their increasingly important contents from loss and theft. Our solution, Z-Spot, combines cutting-edge GPS-based technology, our Return for Award system, and the ZebraTrackers.com online tracking portal to assist in the retrieval of lost or stolen mobile devices. Z-Spot has the ability to redefine the loss and theft insurance industry, with protection of not only the device itself, but its precious and often private contents. So remember, Z-Spot, Z marks the spot.